Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. Today I need to go and add in that other resonator into the exhaust. Try and take the drone out of this thing. So I've already had a bit of a look at where I want to put it, and I'd like to try and get it back here in the factory muffler location. It is going to be a tight squeeze. I'm probably not going to have enough room for all of it, meaning I'm going to have to trim it back just about every last little bit of pipe I can get out of it. And I'm also probably going to have to trim the lengths of pipe on the muffler itself off to get it to squeeze into that gap. But I reckon I can get it to fit, so my first job, I'll go ahead and I'll get this rear section off. I'll get it on the bandsaw. I've got a new blade in it. I'll cut it off as close as I can to this bend up here, giving me the most amount of room, and then I'll get the muffler offered up in here, sort of semi-tacked in place. Cut this other tip section off, tack it in place, make sure I like it, make sure I like the location, it's not going to rub, touch or do anything funny. Then yeah, I'll weld as much of it as I can on the car to try and eliminate warpage. Pull it off the bench, finish weld it all up, stick it back on the car and see if it takes the drone out of it. Also, while I've got it up on the hoist, I'm going to try and utilise another hanger onto this section here, just to try and stop it from wobbling around so much. And then yeah, that should be the exhaust mint then. Well, I mean, hopefully anyway. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, tackle this, get this off, get it cut and get it back in the car, and we'll have a look at if I can fit this bloody muffler in there or not. I did think about putting it up here and this section here, but it'd get too close to the tail shaft. Yeah, I did think about putting it in this section here. It's a nice straight piece of pipe. The tail shaft is right there and the other muffler's right there, so it'd be muffler, small section of pipe muffler. You can see it right there. I just don't think this is the best spot for it, and right here it has to hang down pretty low, so this would hang even lower, and it has the center bearing hanger, so I'm not going to put it there if I can help it. I might have to yet, so anyway, I'll get that bit off, I'll get my cut done on it, and we'll come back and see what I got to work with.
Waiting for the summer, no remember the ocean when memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Well, there we go, it's all welded up back on the car. Managed to get the tip back in the centre of the cutout, pointing in a nice direction, so I'm happy with that. Muffler's in there, it's not touching anywhere, so now it's time we'll lower the car down and we'll see if it's any quieter. Alright, let's see if it's any quieter. We're peaking about about 85, 86. They used to be pegged at 90. So it's come down a little bit. Alright, so yeah, that's going to be it for me in this video. It has quietened it down quite a bit. Like I said, that dB meter used to be pegged at 90, and this whole shed would just reverberate. It's actually tamed it down quite a bit. It's given it a much deeper note as well, which is sick. Sounds on point. The real test is going to be in the drive, if it's gotten rid of that nasty ass drone. I'm not going to find out until I take it out for a drive, so that's probably going to be one of the next things. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Sounds sick. Now I got it. Bloody raining again. I was going to try and take it out today, but yeah, now I gotta go take it out for a drive, check the drone, see what sort of response it has gained. So yeah, maybe Thursday next week I'll get a chance to take it out again, and I'll film it. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought of the camera position in the video of me driving this that I posted last night. I know the audio quality wasn't quite the best, and it sort of shakes a little bit over there. But yeah, let me know what you think of that driving position, and I'll use it again. Otherwise I'll try and mount it somewhere else. I'd like to try and mount it from the, what is that bloody thing called? The interior light, the dome light, whatever you want to call it. It's a bit hard to get it to mount there. So I'll play around with that. Let me know what you thought of that driving video. Yeah, I'm happy with the result. I'm pretty sure it's going to take that horrible drone out of it on the highway, which is sick. I really want to see how responsive it is. When I was out in the wet, it seemed way more responsive. But yeah, time will tell. Thank you all for watching. Throw your comment down below, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Alright, well there we go. So that's it. Yes, mate. Sit, mate. Right there. Come on, go somewhere else. Trying to finish the video. You gonna let me finish the video? It stinks over here. You don't want to come here. Go away. Yeah. Anyway. Why is it every time I go to do this? Come on. Sit. Yeah, stay. No, I don't want your paw. Come on. Go away. Go. Right there. Go in the rain. Play in the rain.